Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Outdoor Patio. Sting light for magically backyard evening. Introducing transforming your outdoor patio into a charming retreat can be a fulfilling project, especially when you are incorporating stingy light. Those simple yard enhanced addition can turn any backyard into a magically space professional for interest, relax and simple enjoy the beauty of natural. We explored various create warm to install and arrange stunning lights to elevate your outdoor immersion, create a cozy and invite atmosphere that you love space time in planning your design before you start and sting light its cabin. You plan your design, consider the layout for your patio, the location of power sources, and any potential damage like tree or palo. Stick out your idea and entertainment when you want to any the lights of other illuminate and static appear. Keep in mind the atmosphere you want to create, whether it's a romance setting with soft warm lights or a fresh impression with bright colorful lights. Choose the right lights when select stunning lights of your outdoor patio. Those are survey functional and consider other of waterfall and drawing light design for outdoor use to enhance then withstand the elements LED lights and urge effect and long lasting make theme an excellent choice for outdoor light project. Consider the color, brightness and style of your lights and complement your patio design and personal professional. Create a canopy of lights. One popular way to enhance your patio with string lights is by create a canopy over hard string lights can be hung benefits through port or other century to from a string canopy that add a magic touch to your outdoor space. Use zip, turn or hold, attach the lights and space theme for uniform illuminate. This canopy not only provide cozy lights but also create a cozy and element atmosphere from gathering to other evening unique and lights. Enhance entertain area. If you love host outdoor gathering, sting lights can enhance your entertainment area and create a welcome impression for gathering hun lights our design table sting area or outdoor kitchen to illuminate the space and host the moon for a dining and social. You can every install during string for standing light simple to attach the beautiful brightness and color for the lights basic on the ocean.